Best quotes of Helen Keller. Helen Keller was an American author, a political activist, and also a lecturer. She was the first deaf-blind person to get a Bachelor of Arts degree. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. Keep your face to the sunshine and you will never see the shadow. Life is a succession of lessons which must be lived to be understood. People do not like to think. If one thinks, one must reach conclusions. Conclusions are not always pleasant. The highest result of education is tolerance. I do not want the peace which passeth understanding. I want the understanding which bringeth peace. Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence. True happiness is not attained through self-gratification but through fidelity to a worthy purpose. Self-pity is our worst enemy, and if we yield to it, we can never do anything wise in this world. What we have once enjoyed, we can never ever lose. All that we love deeply becomes a part of us. Faith is the strength by which a shattered world shall emerge into the light. Your success and happiness lies in you. Resolve to keep happy and your joy, and you shall form an invisible host against difficulties. We could never learn to be brave and patient if there were only joy in the world. Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing. Security is mostly a superstition. It does not exist in nature. When we do the best that we can, we never know what miracle is wrought in our life or in the life of another. Until the great mass of the people shall be filled with the sense of responsibility for each other's welfare, social justice can never be attained. Walking with a friend in the dark is better than walking alone in the light. I am only one, but still I am one. I cannot do everything, but still I can do something, and because I cannot do everything, I will not refuse to do something that I can do. So long as the memory of certain beloved friends lives in my heart, I shall say that life is good. No one has a right to consume happiness without producing it. The only thing worse than being blind is having sight up but no vision. When one door of happiness closes, another opens. But often we look so long at the closed door that we do not see the one which has been opened for us. I long to accomplish a great and noble task, but it is my chief duty to accomplish small tasks as if they were great and noble.